Hey guys, Glenn Murray, how are you? Hope you're doing well. We are talking about marketing blocks. This is my marketing blocks review. This is a product that's been out for a couple of weeks now, and I thought I would give you guys a review on it and put some bonuses together and show you. It's pretty, I think it's going to be a pretty spectacular tool to use in 2023 if you are a marketer looking to build content and having probably the best AI that's out there right now. I know there's a lot of AI coming out. If you don't know what AI actually is, it's artificial intelligence, and that's what Marketing Blocks has done. It basically, you tell it what you want, and it creates it for you. So it's going to create content for you. For let me just look at all the stuff they have to say here. Um, Basically create all online business assets for local and online businesses. If you're an agency, edit everything using AI powered built-in tools. It auto generates and resizes like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all those things instead of having to know what size of an image you need to do. Fully cloud-based. It's not on your laptop. It works online, easy to use, no coding, and you get commercial license for it. So basically you can create uh, basically products for any client you want. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to go through the bonuses that we're going to give away. We're going to go through all the sort of things that it does. Basically, I'm going to show you the demo video, which is very cool. And we'll talk about the bonuses, and then I'll show you exactly how to get the bonuses and how to get a huge discount if you choose to get marketing blocks. So again, if you like videos like this, make sure you hit subscribe to my channel below and make sure you hit the like button. It really helps the channel out. Now let's get into, I'm going to pop over to the bonuses. Oops, hold on. We have a video planned. Whoa, pause that for a second. I don't know if you guys could hear that. So we're going to go down to, where are we here? We get on here. Is that the one I want? Yeah, that one works great. Okay, let's go down to the bonuses here. Get down to the bonuses. So bonus number one, special bonus number one is the Agent Accelerate training. So you get full training on how to use this in agency. So this is a great way, guys, to pick up some extra money, do some agency stuff, put your gig on Fiverr, Odesk, all those kind of things, and just pick up some extra incomes and use this tool to basically do all the work for you. We have 52 weeks of coaching, so you're never going to be alone. You're always going to get your coaching. You're going to get weekly live training for the entire week. You're going to get membership Skype group mentoring, and you're going to get the whole Marketing Blocks Academy. So it's going to teach you from step one. If you know nothing about it, it's going to show you exactly how to use it. The next bonuses we're going to give out here is the local business graphics package, 40 plus premium packages for a local agency, deep dive messaging hacks, how to draw attention to social posts, how to get your social posts to go viral. This is a really huge bonus here, guys. This is don't think that this is not valuable, because this is how you can take a very simple sale and 10x it easily by learning how to do that. Cold Outreach Ninja Play, this is how to get clients in your agency. Another 100 plus graphics design bundle, plus the database to over 300 million businesses. This is in the USA, so you're going to get 23 million US business database. You got 300 million global domain leads database, so you got global and US. Physicians, chiropractor, loan offices, dentists, insurance agents. This is huge, guys. So you'll have access to this gigantic database. You're going to have lifetime access to social media auto post, which I use. I use a program very similar to this. So these programs are so valuable. I have posts going up on my social media constantly. I don't have to think about it. It drives traffic to my sales pages. Easy stories that bring in sales. Just how to do some copywriting. So when the AI writes your copy, you can go in and add your own twist to it, knowing what you're doing and how you're creating that story, kind of thing. So those are the bonuses, guys. Let's jump over and we will watch the. Let me move this down here. I just want to make sure that if I go full screen, there we go. Yeah. So we're gonna go full screen and we're just gonna watch the video, and then I'll be right back after that.
Welcome to Marketing Blocks AI. In this short video, I will show you how to create marketing assets for your business and your clients in minutes using artificial intelligence. Let's say you own a plumbing company as an example, or you have a client who owns a plumbing company. We'll call it KB Plumbers. Now create a project and enter a description or keyword. In this example, plumbing service. This is all AI requires to generate marketing assets for you. Content and copy, landing pages, designs, logos, banners, and business cards, promo videos, documents to write anything, blogs, books, case studies, business plans, social posts, and even online courses, voiceovers, stock media, emails, arts, and more AI tools. Now let's go through each of them right now. Designs. AI will generate bulk banners for any business in any niche, all preloaded with relevant images and copy. This was generated from the keyword plumbing service. Edit your designs to perfection using our drag and drop editor to create unique designs that stand out in a flash. Use your own media or choose from our library of over 10 million stock images, illustrations, icons, objects, people, or transparent backgrounds, and more. Boost authority with professional logos created by the AI logo designer. Wow, your customers with professional business cards created by the AI business card designer. Okay, landing pages. AI also creates pages for you in seconds. AI created this page from just a keyword, again, plumbing service. AI designed the layout, AI wrote the copy, you can instruct AI to rewrite any of the sections, AI searched for the relevant media like this background image, AI combined everything to create this page. Now our professional designers created done-for-you sections on the canvas that helps with high conversions. Use our drag and drop landing page builder to develop multiple ideas, move around some blocks, and watch in awe as AI brings your concept to life. Use your own media, choose from our library, or turn any text prompt into an image using the inbuilt AI arts. Add an opt-in form directly or through a two-step pop-up to build your list.
Wow.
One-click connection to your favorite autoresponder or marketing automation apps. Full e-commerce integration allows you to sell products and get paid. Import and redesign any landing page in seconds using AI. Build customizable forms in a few clicks. Beautiful exit pop-ups to get visitors to stay. Inbuilt timers to create urgency. Connect your custom domains to build a trustworthy brand. Animations to capture attention, secured and fast hosting on our Amazon cloud for free, or export and host on your own server.
Wow.
Okay, now AI documents. Use AI documents to write anything. Blogs, book chapters, lead magnets, case studies, VSLs, that's of course video sales letters, sales copy, business plans, courses, songs, love letters, white papers, and even academic articles.
Wow, guys. Look at this. And guys, this is the info people want. They want simple, bite-sized pieces of info. Write a business model canvas.
Deploy workflows to generate high-quality content 100 times faster. Watch me generate a 2,000-word blog post in seconds using the Blog Post Wizard.
Wow, guys. That's ridiculous.
All right, now marketing copy. Our AI has been trained to write over 100 different categories of marketing copy and frameworks. The AI writes 100% original copy that you could use in your business. Unlike other tools in the market, Marketing Blocks uses real artificial intelligence and not fill-in-the-blank templates. You have total control over your copy. You could set the tone of your copy and even translate it into over 100 languages in just one click. The AI uses the most advanced natural language processing model and has been trained using more than 400 billion data feeds. It's smart and can write high-quality copy for any industry or niche. How about promotional videos? AI also writes a video script, searches for relevant background media, and combines them to create promotional videos for your business. With the editor, you can effortlessly edit each scene, change the text, background media, and background music. Use your own media or choose from our library of millions of royalty-free stock videos and images. Add background music and render either as a rectangle, square, or story-style videos that you could use to get more traffic, leads, and sales for your business. Voiceovers. Now, AI creates real human voiceovers for you. The AI writes a script to sell your services. Easily edit or let AI rewrite the script. All you have to do now is choose one of the professional voiceover artists and convert the script to real human voiceover using the most natural sounding text-to-speech technology. AI Background Remover allows you to remove the background from an image with just one.
That's cool.
AI Email Writer writes emails to sell your product. The AI Stock Explorer finds the best suited stock images for your project. Even more AI tools for paid subscribers. AI Image Cleaner, erase any unwanted object, defect, people, watermark, or text from your pictures in seconds. That's right. AI Image Colorizer, instantly colorize black and white photos. AI Image Animator, animate boring photos and bring them to life. Art Blocks, turn any text into beautiful images and art in seconds using AI.
What?
AI Content Briefs. Let AI help you outline and write the perfect article that will rank on search engines and bring you free traffic. This software is the fastest and easiest way to create marketing assets for you and your clients without shelling out big bucks on multiple marketing apps or expensive freelancers. Right now, there is no software in the world that does all that Marketing Blocks can do at any price. It's true. And the best part, the free commercial license that's included turns this into a money-making machine for you because you can easily sell these marketing assets to clients across the globe and get paid for something that's 100% automated and done by artificial intelligence. Welcome to the future of marketing.
Wow, guys. That is pretty phenomenal. Like, I hadn't watched that video before. I've been busy with.
Did you know that no matter how awesome
busy with the holidays and and just I hadn't really looked at Marketing Blocks. I'm like, holy cow, I need to go get this. So here's the deal. Now, if you want to get all the bonuses, like everything, what you want to do, and you want to get the best deal, is you can pick up the whole bundle here. Where is it? Let's go here. So you can get the whole package here, guys. Everything. Is this it? Yeah, I think this is the bundle. So let me see. Now, I can get you a $200 off. You can use VIP 200 or MB 200, and you can get you can get it this down to $297. Okay, guys, I'll put that in the description below. Make sure you hit subscribe, by the way. Now that's for the bundle, and with the bundle, you guys get everything. Like you get all those bonuses, everything. You get everything. This is the one you want to get. Or if you just want to get the front end, just you want to dabble in it, you can get it for $47. I think it's, where's the price on it? 67, I think. But I've got a $20. There it is. So $20 coupon. You can use MB $10 off. So I don't know what they've got the numbers here. Oh, I've already added the coupon. That's why. So it's MB20, and guys, that's down below. The links are down below. You want to get them. Just go in, put your email in, and go to the page, and then you get the front end. You get the whole. The front end is pretty limited, but still, you guys can get a ton of stuff out of the front end. But the bundle, like the front end, still does all the stuff. But landing pages, marketing, copy, long form content, designs and banners, video, voiceovers, logos and business cards, courses, books, reports, and lead magnets, background removal. There's the video again, and you get the free commercial license. So that's what it all is, guys. Let me jump back on here. All right, so the phenomenal, guys. This is an amazing deal. So if you want to get all the bonuses, I've put 2 links below. If you want to get the bundle, which I totally recommend, and it's just done, you pay for it, or you get the $47 front end one. And I think there's a monthly fee with it, but just go through all the documentation. I'm going to be picking this up. I'm going to go pick up the bundle, of course, because I always try to get the most bang for my buck. But this is way more phenomenal than I've seen, and I'll do, once I get my copy of it, I'll do a video of how it all works in the background. I'll show you myself doing it, so you can see it's not just a video magic of someone doing it, but I'll be going through and doing it. So jump down below, grab it, make sure you subscribe to the button, and if this isn't for you, you want to know what my #1 business online is, click the link below. There's a thing that says #1 business online. Go check that out. It'll do you good. Cheers. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.